Now, we talked about, there is a video, watch a video that we put out a couple years ago called The All-Seeing Eye, the Surveillance Society and the New World Order. If you haven't seen it, go see it, because I show you the evidence, just a little connect the dots type of evidence, that the CIA, the Central Intelligence Agency, has had an investment and an interest in Facebook from the very early days. Not making that up. Stop and think about this. Everybody does these, what they call selfies. They take pictures of themselves. They put that on their Facebook page. Facebook has algorithms, not invented by Al Gore, that detect faces. I caught onto this. I used to have an iPhone, and there was a picture hanging on the wall in our house, a family photo from years ago, and I decided to take a snapshot of that. I was going to post it on Facebook, and I held my iPhone up to the portrait, the family portrait, and my iPhone starts drawing rectangles around everybody's face on there. And I went, this thing is smart enough to know what a human face looks like. Facebook has an algorithm that does facial recognition, and it stores that in a database. So that now that they know who you are and what your face looks like, every place you go in the country, they can tell you were there because there's security cameras everywhere. That's just one little thing of it. This is an Android phone. Google owns this. Google is the largest accumulator of information about everybody in the world. So Google owns Android. They have the operating system that runs all these phones. And when I put the Facebook app back on my phone started making these little noises because every time somebody puts a picture of a kitty cat on Facebook, my phone would go. And it was doing that. And I got tired of it. So I was trying to go into settings and all that stuff to try to figure out how to shut that off in my Facebook app. And then, for the first time, Android does this. iOS does not do this. Android does this. Before you install any kind of app on your Android tablet, your phone, or whatever, you get to see what this app has access to. iOS doesn't show you that. Android does. Have you ever looked at what the Facebook application on your phone can do? Have you ever looked at it? I'm going to show it to you. I took a screen capture of what I was seeing from I deleted the Facebook app on my phone. It's gone. I'm not someone that sits and worries about every little thing that the government can know about me. I'm not worried about that. But when I saw what Facebook could do, what I gave Facebook permission to do with my phone, I took it off. Let me show it to you. I got a screen capture. I got several of them. Let me show it to you. Let me zoom in here. This is what the Facebook app on your Android phone, and I'm assuming your iPhone or your iPad can do. This application can access the following on your device. Number one, the Facebook app can directly call phone numbers. The Facebook app can read phone status and identity. Who's calling you? The Facebook app can read all of your text messages. The Facebook app can take pictures and videos. The Facebook app can record audio. The Facebook app can approximate your location. or your precise location using GPS. The Facebook app can modify your contacts. The Facebook app can read your call log. The Facebook app can read your contacts. The Facebook app can write your call log. Not done. Oh, that's a receipt. Hang on here. The Facebook app, I take pictures of receipts, by the way. It's not a bad idea, okay? The Facebook app can add or modify calendar events and send emails to guests without host's knowledge. The Facebook app can read calendar events plus confidential information. The Facebook app can read your own contact card. The Facebook can modify or delete the contents of your USB storage, which would then, you would assume that the Facebook app can read the contents of your USB storage. It can add or remove accounts, create accounts, and set passwords, find accounts on the device, read Google service configuration, change network connectivity, connect and disconnect from Wi-Fi, download files without notification. It has full network access. It has the permission to receive data from the network and to view network connections. And you gave it permission to do that. Let's see here. What else does it have? It can reorder running apps, retrieve running apps, run at startup, and draw over other apps. In other words, the Facebook app is now the god of your phone. It can do anything that it well pleases to do. It will do. If the app can do that, you have to ask the question, who's running the app? Who's behind the app?